When we feel like we're missing out on something, when we feel like, you know, there's something not enough, this feeling of not enough, a lack of fulfillment within yourself, within your being, just enjoying, or an attachment, like it's like something is grasping at you, begging you to believe that what you are experiencing is not beautiful, it's not harmonious, it's not perfect as it is. You are stripping yourself from being able to actually have the experience of the subtlety of being able to detect that feeling. And it's very apparent to me, like when I move from one place to another place,